It's over. It's over.
You know.
Going home.
Going home.
Goodbye, Singapore. Hello, Manila.
We will be back.
With vengeance.
Soon.
Yeah, we're gonna get that.
Goodbye and hello, Philippines. Ulit. Thank you, Singapore.
Thank you, what's the name? What's the name? Huh?
My name is Davy.
Dewi!
Dewi. Thank you, Dewi. No, Singaporean. Hello, mga ka-winners.
Hello! Bye! We're gonna sleep in the plane.
What plane?
The plane!
Airplane?
Airplane!
See you,
B2.
Philippines.
This is B2.
Yeah.
This is Coach T.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm John Lloyd.
John Lloyd.
Bye, ka-winners.
Bye-bye!
Going home. Fully booked niya. Grabe, fully booked kayo. Bakit?
Bato ka na bukas eh, Monday.
Pati yung mga matatanda. Morning. Ayaw ko katabi to. Brum to eh.
Bakasyon na.
Ang sarap mo, Cebu Pacific. Pang long-legged yung pwesto ko. Grabe. Ayan o, pang 6-footer. Ang problema, ito, pang 6-fatter. Fatter. B2. Knockdown. It's over. It's over. It's over. Sana laging galito. Pang long-legged.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled.
Nagre-ready na ako, mga ka-winners. Nantok na ako. Goodbye, Singapore. Hello, Manila.